Imagine a world where cars not only drive on roads but also take to the skies, defying traditional limits of traffic and congestion. It might sound like science fiction, but with the advent of electric vertical takeoff and landing, or eVTOL technology, this concept is edging closer to reality. The introduction of a flying car eVTOL has the potential to revolutionize the way we commute, connect, and explore. In this era of groundbreaking innovations, fasten your seatbelts and join us as we delve into how this eVTOL marvel could truly change everything we know about transportation. While most companies are focusing on creating conventional electric vehicles for road travel, there's one company that has dared to transcend these boundaries, achieving something truly astonishing. Meet Opener, an innovative force that has turned sci-fi dreams into reality by introducing a genuine flying electric vehicle. Their creation has taken inspiration from futuristic movies and is now poised to redefine transportation. This electric-powered flying car effortlessly takes to the skies, embodying the essence of speed and innovation. And the buzz is real. Opener has even opened its doors for the public to join their early access program, offering a chance to experience the marvel of their flying car personally. On July 12, 2018, Opener introduced the Blackfly Personal Air Vehicle, fully qualified under FAA Part 103 ultralight standards. While constrained by FAA ultralight regulations to a maximum speed of 62 miles per hour, equivalent to 100 kilometers an hour, and a range of 25 miles, the Blackfly boasts performance characteristics far exceeding these limits. The company, generously supported by Google co-founder Larry Page, has outlined a comprehensive timeline on its website. The visionary engineer Marcus Lang, who now serves as the CEO of Opener, embarked on the concept's development in August 2009. He accomplished what appears to be the first manned flight of a fixed-wing, all-electric VTOL aircraft on October 5, 2011, at his residence in Warkworth, Canada, situated 90 miles east of Toronto. In contrast to the United States, Canada mandates the registration of ultralight aircraft. To comply, Ling registered 3 prototype ultralights with Transport Canada under the name Skycar Inc. The second-generation aircraft, the advanced Blackfly V1, took its inaugural flight in August 2014. Subsequently, Ling founded Opener and relocated the majority of its operations to Silicon Valley, aiming to expedite development with increased investment capital. In August 2009, the vehicle concept was born. By October 2011, Blackfly achieved its first flight. Taking a significant leap, Blackfly V1 soared in August 2014. February 2015 marked the first 2-minute hover with a 200-pound, 90-kilogram payload. Blackfly V2 demonstrated its capability with a flight in February 2016. A substantial 30-mile flight with a 200-pound payload was completed in November 2016. By September 2017, an impressive 10,000 miles had been covered with a 200-pound payload through a series of at least 30-mile flights. The maiden flight of the pre-production model Blackfly V3 occurred in October 2017. Progress continued with Blackfly's V2's first manned flight in March 2018. Remarkably, by September 2018, a cumulative distance of 20,000 miles had been flown while carrying a 200-pound, 90-kilogram payload. The journey entered a new phase in March 2019, as pre-production manufacturing commenced. During EAA AirVenture 2019, which was held from July 22nd to 28th in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, USA, Opener's trade show booth displayed remarkable achievements, such as over 23,000 miles flown, which is equivalent to more than 37,015 kilometers, encompassing 2,300 flights. Furthermore, the Blackfly can be efficiently disassembled and loaded into a small truck, followed by rapid assembly in 30 minutes for flight. The aircraft's supercharging capability enables an 80% charge in just 25 minutes, while takeoff and landing assistance further enhance its features. The Blackfly introduces a straightforward and user-friendly control mechanism, equipped with a control stick. This device allows you to steer the aircraft to the left or right, as well as control its speed. On the stick, there's a button and a switch that you use to initiate or halt flight. To take off, you press the button while simultaneously pushing the switch forward. For landing, the process is reversed. Notably, the Black Fly boasts an intelligent system that efficiently manages all other functions, alleviating the need for concern about additional buttons or switches. In contrast, several other companies are focusing on developing larger planes designed to accommodate more passengers for short-distance trips, typically between cities. These planes are also electric and capable of vertical takeoffs and landings. However, they are marked by their complexity and higher cost. Furthermore, they currently require a human pilot for operation. The Black Fly distinguishes itself from these planes by its compact design, which is suitable for a single individual to operate. Moreover, it doesn't mandate a pilot's license for usage. This remarkable attribute allows virtually anyone to operate it, provided they undergo training provided by the manufacturing company. Opener is determined to bring its revolutionary Black Fly aircraft to the market on a commercial scale. To achieve this, the company has introduced an early access program, EAP, tailored for 12 selected eVTOL customers. This program offers participants an opportunity not only to immerse themselves in Opener's training and aerial technology, but also to provide valuable insights into their entire customer journey. Ken Karklin, Opener's CEO, emphasizes the critical role of the EAP in the company's journey towards success. He highlights, "We have a sound and novel aircraft design." Opener's EAP establishes a two-way communication channel to inform how we address customer concerns, refine features, and optimize the overall user experience. Karklin underlines the profound collaboration with early adopters as a pivotal step towards achieving the overarching goal of personal aerial freedom. The initial participant of the EAP, who recently received his Black Fly aircraft, was elated during his first flight, describing it as an exhilarating and unforgettable experience. The EAP serves as a platform for Opener to fine-tune features, enhance performance, and elevate customer service prior to the official release of the Black Fly to the general public. The Black Fly is meticulously designed to align with the FAA Part 103 ultralight category regulations, effectively eliminating the need for a pilot certificate for operation. However, Opener emphasizes that all eVTOL pilots must undergo comprehensive flight training as a prerequisite. This innovative aircraft operates entirely on electric power, emitting zero emissions and consuming less energy than an electric car. Beyond being a mere vehicle, the Black Fly introduces a transformative way of experiencing the world from new heights. Its core principles encompass safety, simplicity, and sustainability, completed by its capability for vertical takeoff and landing. The Black Fly shatters the barriers that typically hinder everyday adventurers from venturing into the wonders of aviation. Through the Black Fly, the boundless freedom to explore the world is embraced, with you at the helm. Opener remains tight-lipped about the official pricing and commercial production specifics of the Black Fly, as the company is primarily engaged in its early access program. Opener invites people intrigued by the EAP to express their interest on their website, although it cautions about the limited opportunities available. The dedicated program page reveals a mere 12 slots for the EAP, with one of them already secured by Mr. Glenn Zorpet, an electrical engineer with IEEE Spectrum magazine in New York, New York. He is one of the inaugural customers to receive his Black Fly aircraft. Parallel to Opener's endeavors, another company named Aleph Aeronautics is making strides in the eVTOL domain, having gained approval for use in the U.S. Introduced in 2022, the Model A from Aleph Aeronautics boasts remarkable capabilities, including a 200-mile road range and an impressive 110-mile air travel capability, courtesy of advanced electric-powered technology. Significantly, the Model A attained a distinctive milestone by securing special airworthiness certification from the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration. This certification not only validates the vehicle's safe and efficient flight capacity, but also assures potential customers of its adherence to rigorous safety standards and exceptional quality. The buzz and enthusiasm surrounding the Model A have reached unprecedented heights, despite its production scheduled to commence in the fourth quarter of 2025, followed shortly by deliveries. Surprisingly, many people are highly interested, with pre-orders for this pioneering vehicle skyrocketing to a staggering 2,500. So, are you as excited as we are to witness this marvelous shift in transportation? The Black Fly and the Model A from Aleph Aeronautics are setting new standards in personal aerial mobility, offering us a glimpse into a future where the sky is no longer a limit. Do you envision yourself soaring through the air in these electric marvels? Would you embrace the freedom of exploration they promise? Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and let us know if you're ready to take to the skies in the realm of eVTOLs. And if you like this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more exciting news like this.